Good afternoon, viewers. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. We have a lot of news breaks lined up for you over the next half hour, starting with one coming from the national capital, where Delhi Chief Minister and AAP Supremo Kejriwal has responded on the Moosewala killing. He has said that no one should play politics over whatever has happened, and going on to say that we promise you that the culprit will be punished soon. Now, also adding that the new government is trying its best and that all parties must work together. So that's a statement coming in by the AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal over Moosewala's killing, saying that the killing should not be politicized and that all parties must work together. We have the soundbite as well of Arvind Kejriwal. Let's listen in.
देखिए, मेरा अपना मानना है कि जो भी घटनाएं घटी हैं उसके ऊपर राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए। गलत बात है। अभी जैसे सिद्धू मूसेवाले जी की हत्या की गई, वो एक बेहद अफसोस वाली बात थी और उसके लिए पंजाब सरकार, पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री ऑलरेडी कह चुके हैं कि पूरी कोशिश जारी है और हम विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि दोषियों को पकड़ के कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा दिलवाएंगे। इसके पहले दो इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे। पटियाला का हुआ था, एक वो बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट, मोहाली बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट था, और जैसे ही हुए थे 24 से 48 घंटे के बीच में उसको सॉल्व कर लिया गया था। तो मैं समझता हूं कि अभी नई सरकार है, नई सरकार पूरा प्रयास कर रही है, विपक्षी पार्टियों को भी और सब लोगों को मिलकर अपने को पंजाब को आगे बढ़ाना है, राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए।
And we have Amandeep live to give us all the latest on that. Amandeep, while the politics over the killing of Moosewala continues in full swing, help us understand the latest as far as a probe into Moosewala's killing is concerned.
Well, Samiksha, Punjab Police has dispatched their teams. If we talk about the investigation, Punjab Police have dispatched the different teams to the different states for certain kind of detention, as well as investigation, and raids are also being carried out by the Punjab Police. But on the other side, parallelly, there is an anger against Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab, especially against Bhagwant Mann, regarding the killing of Sidhu Moosewala, just because a day before Sidhu Moosewala's security was downgraded, and just one day after that Sidhu Moosewala was killed by a group of gangsters. It was a gruesome killing in a broad daylight. And in fact, now Arvind Kejriwal's statement is just to mellow down the anger of the public against Aam Aadmi Party government. On one side, Bhagwant Mann visit to Moosewala's family, and that scheduled visit at 8 a.m. was being postponed for 2 hours just because people protested against Bhagwant Mann. And when the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann met Sidhu Moosewala's family, he came out, and all of a sudden Arvind Kejriwal's statement is coming on that Punjab government is making their full efforts to resolve the case, but there should not be a politics. Though, what about the anger of the people? What about the anger of the public? Why Arvind Kejriwal is not talking about to punish those police officers who have leaked the secret note of the downgraded security and the list of the VVIPs whose securities has been withdrawn and downgraded? Why Arvind Kejriwal is not talking about that? Why Arvind Kejriwal is not talking about that the case, if will not be solved, it will be handed over to the National Investigating Agency or CBI? Just because so far they are trying to establish the gangster angles, but the kind of weapons that has been used in that killing, that is not the sophisticated weapons, that is not the routine weapons. So there is so many things are happening, but parallelly investigation is going on. Punjab Police is not able to identify those people who are actually involved into the killing of Sidhu Moosewala, though they have arrested and detained certain people who have provided the logistic support to the main accused. But 7 to 8 people are directly involved into the killing of Sidhu Moosewala who have not been identified yet.
Well, absolutely.
Yes,
very important details that you are bringing to us of the Nepal angle also that has now emerged. With the Punjab Police special cell, we are told, has been sent to Nepal because the shooters are believed to be hiding in Nepal. Give us more details on that.
Well, absolutely, Samiksha. First Uttarakhand, then Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, and now Nepal. Just because Punjab police is giving and providing good amount of time into the investigation, so that at least the gangsters who were involved into the case, they can flag the country. And now what they have did, and a special team was already dispatched to the Nepal for further investigation. Just because from their intelligence sources they received several kind of leads that the main accused and the culprits of the case fled to Nepal, crossed the border to Nepal, and presently they are camping in Nepal in the different parts. And in fact, they are the people who hatched the conspiracy. They are the people who actually implemented the idea of killing of Sidhu Moosewala following the line of Lawrence Bishnoi gang. But the entire connectivity is from Lawrence Bishnoi. He is the one who knows everything. He is the one who has given this assignment and the task to his fellow gangsters in Punjab. But why Punjab police is not able to identify those people who are actually